And this is Jagdish and welcome to another video. In this we will see how to import the data sets into the Power BI. In previous video I have explained what is Power BI and what can be done in Power BI. So let's go into the session, and so in home you can see here there is an option called get data. So if you click the get data, you will get a large files from, for example, there are different databases which can be accessed through Power BI than any other softwares here for data visualization. See here, you can see there are Excel files, CSV files, PDF folders, and these are all the databases. You can directly connect to it, and you can make use of it for using or importing your data from the resources. For example, if you have Google Analytics, you can directly get the data from there, and similar way you can do whatever the things you needed. And if you want to get the data from a website, you can directly import the data from a web page, and or Python, whatever, everything you can do in this. So as I initially said in the previous video, I will just do by Excel. So what we need to do is just choose any file format you want to open it, and you click connect. And I'm here selecting my Excel file which is working, and this will open into a new query editor source, where you can edit all the variables, whatever the variables you wanted to edit. So this provides a platform for you if you have not cleaned your data, or if you are not well known with your data sets. You can easily do it. So here it is, that working data set. So there are two Excel files, or two Excel files. So from this you can choose either both, or any number of Excel files you can choose, and you can do the works. I will be choosing my single file, and here you can see three options. And the load is, if you give load, it will directly load, and you can directly go to your report making column. And if you want to edit your data, you can just go to transform data. So where, as I earlier said, you can do whatever the things you needed to do for your variables, or the things you wanted to do in the data sets. So this opens, as I initially shared, this opens into a Power Query editor. So here, here you can see there are different variables, and which was indicated by some 1 to 3 or ABC. So these are the you can easily find whether your variables are string variables or numeric variables. And if you want to change the alphabetical variables into a numeric one, you can easily change the see here. If you just click that left hand corner, you can use different codes. So if you need, for example, if there is a numerical variable, that is a numerical variable, and if you want to give a particular decimal numbers, you can fix. Or if you have a revenue, then a dollar symbol will be used. Or if you have revenue, and you want to use your country's value, currency value, you can easily use from that. And if you, it is an old number or anything, any type of activities can be done here. So this is a simple and easy way. And meanwhile, here you can see the applied steps, that is whatever the changes you do here, it will be made as an history, and you can easily track back, and you can use of it, make use of it. And the main thing is the transform, which has a large number of ways of doing the things, or changing your variables. So it is a very useful one. So this is a simple way of importing your data set. And yeah, in next video we will be seeing how to change or edit the data particularly. So after changing your data, you have to click close and apply. So it will be, whatever the changes you have done, it will be saved and it will be applied. And then as I earlier said, there is a report column and report tab. In that you can make use of things to make your dashboard, and you can report, and you can submit it. So this is a simple way of importing your data sets. I hope you have learned something in this video, and if you like, please do keep watching There are so many videos going to come in next few days. Thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe.